EasyPianoOnline. Hi everyone, today we will learn Prelude Op.28 No. 6 by Chopin. In the first tutorial we will learn the first part. Please see the website for part 2. We will begin this first part with the right hand. First finger begins on D. Fourth finger plays B. Fifth is on C. Third is on A. Repeat the A with second finger. And then first. Fifth finger plays E. Second is on C sharp. First finger is on D. Fourth is on G. Repeat with second. And then third. First finger plays B, second is on G sharp, third is on A, fifth is on C, repeat with fourth and third. Second finger plays F sharp, again a F sharp, third is on G, fifth finger plays B, fourth finger plays B, and third. We will now look at the left hand. Left hand begins with fifth finger on D. Now we play a chord D, F sharp and C, fingers 5, 3 and 1. We play it 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Fifth finger plays G. Now we play a chord again. G, B, D, fingers 5, 3 and 1. 1, 2 and 3. Now we play the first set, so D and the first chord again, D, F sharp and C 3 times. 2 and 3. Now we play fifth finger on G, and now we have D, G and B, fingers 5, 2 and 1. 3 times. 2 and 3. We will now combine hands together. Right hand is playing first finger on D, left hand is ready to come in with fifth finger on D. Together left hand fifth on D, right hand fourth on B. Right hand fifth is on C, and together right hand switch second to A. Now first finger plays A. Right hand plays E with fifth finger. And together with left. Right hand 1 under to D. Together. Right hand first finger on B. Together. Right hand third is on A, together. Right hand fourth on C, now third on C. Right hand plays second finger on F sharp, together left hand fifth on G, right hand second on F sharp. G, and together. Right hand switch to fourth on B, and now third to B. This is it for first part. Please see the website for part 2 and subscribe if you like this video.